Are you also excited for the AI? Who's here using ChatGPT now? You can comment one if you are using ChatGPT inside BotCake or inside other operation flow for your content for your ask. Oh, I saw that a lot of you are using ChatGPT now. How do you feel about ChatGPT? It's good so far. Okay, great. So also, just a secret that I show you here. Actually, Meta is building their own AI. So later on, maybe we don't have to use ChatGPT anymore. Maybe we can integrate more AI into the chat flow. So I will try to bring more exciting news to our Pancake community so you can improve your sales, convert more sales, and make Philippines great again. Okay. Actually, I am not intending to record the videos because first come first serve. There gonna be some updates. So if you joining with me tonight, you're gonna have more chances to improve your sales flow. And during like I know that you are focusing on Christmas sales and double day sale like October 10th. So if you like applying the new technical setup inside our system, that's going to be an advantage for you to be coming here today. So maybe later there are only recaps or only some highlights, maybe not a full recording. So if you have friends now, ask them to join. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so joining with me today is not only me because I don't know Filipinos, I don't know Tagalog. So I have Rizal, my assistant. Warren and Bellies are also very powerful and very uh, professional coach inside Pancake community. So say hi to them, everyone. Rizal, Warren, Belly.
Hello,
Hi.
everyone.
Hello everyone,
Hi
welcome to
everyone.
this webinar.
Yeah. Okay. Um, a quick questions. Who are using Pancake here? Who's my friend? My friend, please raise your hands and type one. If you are already using Pancake, you already know who I am. Maybe no one knows me. Oh, hello, hello. I saw a lot of people here knowing me. Okay, thank you so much. Um, okay, so another questions. Do you feel like recently Pancake has a lot of error like maintenance suddenly? Yes. Okay. So sometimes we have maintenance. Why? Here I also apologize for every inconvenience that are arising in the system. The reason is Facebook update the new logic every time. You know, there are a lot of developments here. And third party like Pancake or other platforms are also encountering a lot of changes because we have to change to adopt new adjustment from Facebook. So I hear Kylie, and from my heart, apologize to all of you for all the inconvenience that have raised during your operation flow. And if you have any feedback or suggestion, just let me know. So we welcome all of you to share with us your idea about how we can improve the system, right? Yes. Okay, so I will okay, sorry everyone for the daily error. Okay, thank you so much. I will leave the stage and hand over everything back to our team and we'll join later for more insight of e-commerce. Okay. Um, Warren, can you help me to take over? Thank you so much.
Hello, yes po. Can you play the video, Miss Anne?
Okay. So today you are coming here with us because you are so exciting you are so excited for the new features of Pancake and Meta, and this is an exclusive feature because in Philippines I think that only Pancake now is available to integrate this kind of features. It cannot integrate via a chatbot like ManyChat or ChatFuel. It can only work with some chat and warehouse system connecting directly with Meta. And we are very proud to also test this feature in Vietnam for 3 months now. And the result is very successful. We have a lot of positive feedback from our clients. So I will share the introduction of Meta so you can see. Okay, can anyone see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Introducing shopping features on Messenger. From catalogs to checkouts, shopping features on Messenger can help you do more with conversations. Businesses can now feature and sell their products on Messenger by syncing their products from Pancake's platform to Facebook in just a few clicks. It's now a more seamless experience for shoppers to discover, browse, and initiate an order, all within the chat. Get the chat started with more shoppers through ads that click to Messenger. Showcase your products to potential buyers and enhance ad campaign performance. Shopping features on Messenger can help grow sales for your e-commerce business. Sync your Pancake catalog with Facebook. Do more with conversations today. Introducing shopping features on Messenger. From catalogs to checkouts, shopping features on Messenger can help you do more with conversations. Businesses can now feature and sell their products on Messenger by syncing their products from Pancake's platform to Facebook in just a few clicks. It's now a more seamless experience for shoppers to discover, browse, and initiate an order, all within the chat. Get the chat started with more shoppers through ads that click to Messenger. Showcase your products to potential buyers and enhance ad campaign performance. Shopping features on Messenger can help grow sales for your e-commerce business. Sync your Pancake catalog with Facebook. Do more with conversations today.
Okay, so you can see clearly about the
Mm.
new introduction of Pancake and Meta, correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Are you excited for that? Okay, okay. Now, Warren, please help me to start the game now.
Yes po. Okay, medyo kinakabahan tayo ngayon, no? Kasi first time natin to na webinar sa buong buhay ko, no? At ang dami natin. Kaya bear with me if something may masabi akong like, ganun po. So, I make a mistake in the long run, but bear with me po. So today, hello everyone, welcome sa ating Pancake webinar. At ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang Messenger catalog or tinatawag siyang Messenger shopping cart. So yun. Medyo madami po pala tayo, almost 200 na tayo at matanong ko lang, saan-saan po ba yung mga location nyo? Taga saan po ba yung mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon? Meron po bang taga Luzon dyan? Wow, Pasay, si Rayan, yan. Okay, how about naman po sa Visayas? Meron din sa Mindanao, yan. Okay, Pangasinan, Sulu, Quezon City, Pasay, Laguna, Bicol, si Ma'am Rizal. Ayan. Okay, sobrang layo-layo pala natin. Kahit ang layo po natin, isa lang ang goal natin sa webinar na ito. Kung di matuto ng bagong feature ni Pancake at saka Meta para mag-increase ang ating sales. Tama po ba? Oh, meron ding from Dubai. Grabe, no? So yun, without further ado, start po tayo. Ang rule ko po ngayon ay i-introduce sa inyo ang Pancake. Kaya sino-sino po dito ang mga user na ng Pancake? Medyo madami-dami na din user dito sa Pancake. Ano? May bago. So yun. Si Mr. Yam, si Sir Ayan. Yan. Aside sa madami ng user sa Pancake, meron din palang mga bago, no? So hello po sa inyo, welcome. I do my best po na i-introduce sa inyo ang Pancake bago natin i-set up yung Messenger catalog or yung Messenger shopping cart. So si Ma'am Rizel po mismo ang present kung paano ito i-set up. Yes. Almost. So share screen lang po muna ako dito para po ito sa mga bago lang at wala pang knowledge about sa Pancake. So Pancake is available po siya globally. Our main office is in Vietnam. Also, our developer is from Vietnam. So official business partner tayo ng Meta. Yan. Mayroon na po tayong almost 220,000 na users sa loob ng Pancake. At dito sa Pilipinas, almost 11,000 na ang mga users sa Pancake. Kaya nakakatuwa naman. So Pancake is all-in-one solution. Yan po. Ito pong 5 tools magagamit ninyo once na makapag-subscribe kayo sa ating Pancake. First, we have the Pancake. Ito po yung conversation management system. So bali pamalit po siya ng Business Suite. Kung gusto niyo po na mas advanced or mas high quality yung service na ibibigay ninyo sa inyong customer, mas maganda gamitin niyo si Pancake. So we also have the Pancake POS. Ang Pancake POS is all about product, inventory, ordering, yun po. So product management system dito sa POS. At sa POS din po natin i-upload yung mga product para i-sync natin doon sa Shopee shopping cart. So yun. Meron din po tayong CRM. CRM ay isa sa pinaka powerful na information data. So kung merong service business dito, maganda gamitin si CRM. Pwede nating i-automate dito yung mga booking appointment inside the CRM. Yan. We also have the Bootcake. So may advanced chatbot builder ang Pancake, no? Kung gusto niyo pong i-automate yung mga response sa inyong customer from the messages or the comment section by a keyword or by an action, pwedeng-pwede po si Bootcake. And also Bootcake can automate the follow-up sequence and mayroon din po itong broadcast feature inside the Bootcake. Okay. Punta tayo ka Webcake. Ang Webcake po is a landing page builder. So kahit wala kayong knowledge about coding or programming, ay pwede po kayo makagawa within an hour ng website or landing page dito sa ating Webcake. Yan. May payment gateway din ito na PayPal, si Webcake. Okay, ipakita ko po sa inyo yung ating Pancake mismo. So ito si Pancake. Search mo lang sa browser ang pancake.ph. Yan. So try for free po tayo. And by the way, mas maganda kapag i-connect nyo po mismo ang inyong Facebook page. Lalo na kapag ang pinaka-admin sa Facebook page yan. So dito naman, i-connect natin yung ating mga pages na gusto nyong i-connect inside the Pancake. Yan. So continue tayo. Pwede din nating i-connect ang Instagram account. Ayan. So garit lang kayo. Ito na po, na-upload na siya dito sa Pancake. So ito po lahat ng mga platform na pwede nyong i-connect sa ating Pancake, no? The Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram is still beta, Shopee, Line, Google, or chat plugin kapag sa Shopify naman yung mga website na mayroong chat box, pwede nating i-connect dito sa Pancake. Also, the Lazada, pwede natin yang i-connect. Once na-sync mo na lahat yung mga Facebook page ninyo sa Pancake, pwede nyo po silang i-open individually, kagaya nito, or you can open them po in a multiple mode. Yan. Sa multiple mode, makikita mo na po ng isahang display lahat ng inquiries sa mga pages na na-connect nyo po. For example, ganito. So yan. Lahat ng mga inquiries sa page, nakita na po sa isang display. Meron din po siyang color coding para malaman kung saang page po siya galing. So try po ako mag-open ng isa dito. Try ko itong Kix 8. Yan. Ito po yung live chat. So pamalit po siya ng Business Suite. Okay? So madaming advanced feature inside the Pancake. First, meron tayong advanced save reply dito. So, bakit napaka-advanced ng save reply? First is pwede po kayo makapag-attach ng multiple image. Yan, kagaya niyan. And pwede din po kayo makapag-attach ng file or videos. Aside from that, mayroon din po tayong tag-based system dito sa Pancake. Pwede mo na pong makategorize ang group of customer. For example, mga potential customer, mga qualified customer, unqualified customer, for example, nag-cancel ng order na customer, pwede niyo po silang lagyan ng tag dito. Yan. At dahil nakatag na po sila, pwede niyo pong i-search yung tag para madali po ninyong mahanap. For example, kung gusto kong hanapin yung mga potential customer, yan, i-search ko lang yung potential tag, lalabas na po yung mga customer with a potential tag. So yun, isa sa pinaka-the best feature inside the Pancake ay meron po itong ordering and booking system inside the conversation. Nandito po siya sa right ba to? Nasa right. So create order. Yan. Once na makapag-decide na ang inyong client kung ano yung product na kanyang bibilhin, pwede mo na po itong i-process dito sa Pancake. So inside the conversation, mapaprocess mo na po siya. Nandito yung name ng client, contact number, tsaka address. At tsaka pwede mo na din po ma-search dito yung product na in-avail nila. So take note, masi-search mo lang po yung product dito once nakapag-upload ka ng product sa Pancake POS. So yun. Ito po yung POS sa aking Kix 8. Nakapag-upload na din ako ng mga product. For example, itong ating chocolate moist. Nag-order si client dito ng chocolate moist. Search ko lang dito. Ayan, nandito na siya agad. At kapag naman nagkaroon ng down payment yung customer ninyo, pwede nyo po silang gawin dyan. Dito po kayo sa billing information. Then bank transfer. For example, down payment ng 100 pesos. So, yan. Click ko lang yung at X lang po kayo. Automatically magma-minus na yan sa price ng product. So, pwede tayong makapag-create. Ayun. Aside sa pwede tayong makapag-request ng payment method, pwede din po natin itong isend invoice para makita ni client yung pinrasis mo na order. Yan. At once na-process mo na po yung order dito, ang lahat ng mga information ay automatic pupunta po siya dito sa POS. So punta po ako sa order sa POS. Ayan na po yung bagong order natin na chocolate moist. So yun. Pwede nyo na po yung i-process dito sa POS kapag partnered kayo ng mga courier namin. So we have courier dito na partner, no? Si JNT, si Flash, at si Ninja Van. Kapag VIP kayo is malaking tulong ito dito sa POS dahil pwede na po kayo makapag-process ng order inside the POS at automatically pupunta na po siya sa dashboard ng courier. Yan. Bigyan ko po kayo ng example. For example, itong dalawa is order at gusto ko po silang i-process doon sa ating GNT. So, check ko lang, then quick update, status, send order to GNT, tapos update. Yan, automatically waiting for pickup na yan. At saka, ang details na ito nasa dashboard na po ni GNT. So, sobrang ganda po ni Pancake, no? Back to the Pancake system. Ito sa... How about kapag sa Messenger shopping cart? Saan ba dito makikita ang Messenger shopping cart? Yung bagong feature na ni-release ni Meta at Pancake. Makikita mo po may icon dito sa baba. So, mababasa may product po dito. Ito po yung manual po kayo magsisend ng shopping cart sa inyong client. Okay, for example, si Warren Aves, sendan ko ng shopping cart. Yan. Okay, ganito po ang view sa atin kapag manually tayo nagsisend ng shopping cart sa ating customer. But sa end naman ng customer natin, ganito po ang makikita nila. So yan. Okay, ganyan. Para siyang carousel style. Okay, clickable din po yan. Once i-click yan, pwede na po silang mag-fill up ng form at mag-decide kung payment first ba or COD. May ipapakita akong video kasi hindi po tayo pwedeng magkuhan dito eh. Pag i-click, ganito po ang lalabas. So, may ipapakita akong video. First of all, share screen ako ulit, tapos lagyan ko ng audio. Okay, pwede na pala walang audio, no? So, sa download. So, ganito po yung mangyayari.
I think I can take over this one because I think my video may be more detailed. So you guys can see how the buyer can see in the end. So allow me to give you a quick introduction about the buyer's flow.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi. Have you heard about Meta and Pancake collaboration this year? The 2024 Messenger shopping cart is now available in Pancake Philippines. This feature is promising to increase sales directly from Facebook messaging ads, with the conversion rates grow 3 times higher compared to normal campaigns. What are you waiting for? Let's explore it now. From ads posts displayed on Facebook within Message Click, customers are now directed to a catalog right inside Messenger. Attractive shopping with eye-catching product pictures. Promotions and discounts show directly in the first entry. Enables multiple variation display instead of a lengthy, boring list. Customers find the convenience of moving among product choices, with priority to display and focus on ad products, which are items that attach to FB ads. Easy checkout with third-party app, Pancake. Fulfilling the address and adding the items from cart is never this simple. The address is detailed as it shows even the barangay. Customer can easily add or remove items and see the discount details. Pancake also connects to Zendit Payment Gateway, which enable purchases with various options: bank account, GCash, GrabPay. What's even better, customer can share the product inside Messenger to their friends, their partners without no links or moving out. Convenience is found here, Meta and Pancake collaboration this year. About Meta and Pancake collaboration this year, the 2024 Messenger shopping cart is now available in Pancake Philippines.
This feature is promising to increase sales directly from Facebook messaging ads, with the conversion rates grow 3 times higher compared to normal campaigns. What are you waiting for? Let's explore it now. From ads posts displayed on Facebook within Message Click, customers are now directed to a catalog right inside Messenger. Attractive shopping with eye-catching product pictures. Promotions and discounts show directly in the first entry. Enables multiple variation display instead of a lengthy, boring list. Customers find the convenience of moving among product choices, with priority to display and focus on ad products, which are items that attach to FB ads. Easy checkout with third-party app, Pancake. Fulfilling the address and adding the items from cart is never this simple. The address is detailed as it shows even the barangay. Customer can easily add or remove items and see the discount details. Pancake also connects to Zendit Payment Gateway, which enable purchases with various options: bank account, Gcash, GrabPay. What's even better, customer can share the product inside Messenger to their friends, their partners without no links from moving out. Convenience is found here, Meta and Pancake collaboration this year.
Ayan, sobrang ganda talaga ng Pancake. So, sinong mga excited dyan? Yan. Okay. So, sa ngayon po, bago tayo mag-proceed sa kung magkano ba ang Pancake at paano i-set up ang Messenger shopping cart, may papakita po si Miss Ann sa inyo na testimonial videos from Vietnam. Gumagamit po sila ng feature na ito at nag-increase po ang kanilang sales. Panoorin po natin. Miss Ann, can you share us the testimonial videos po?
Hi, Warren. Actually, that is the buyer's flow I want to share. I think that everyone here will be very true to know about the setup and also how we can attack the catalog on advertising post. And now before we do that, I will share some use case that we test in Vietnam about the result and also like how it increased and meet the demand of the young people now. So as you can see now, the most online buyers will be the young, like the Gen Z, who are like around 20 to 30 in the age, and actually, as a young people, as a young person now, I personally don't want to get follow up too much. If I like the product, I basically just go into the fan page or Shopee and Lazada and check for the product and the review. Anyone here checking the review of the product before buying? I think that most of you gonna do the same thing to me. And when I am happy with all the review and the information of that product, I will buy. Okay, I will buy. Maybe I will buy it directly from Facebook because I can communicate with the shop owners because sometimes the Shopee chat are very low in responses. Like I send them a message and 2 days later I got a response. At that time, after 2 days, the hunger for buying something is lower a lot, and I don't want to buy it anymore. It is like decreasing the wish to buy something from my end. Okay, so in Vietnam, actually, I will share here an use case from Bugatti Max. So if you are like also trying to find item, a winning item for your product, this one may be a good suggestion for you. As in Vietnam now, the health is also one of the top priority. A lot of people are going to the gyms or they are doing daily runs or they are going to Pilates, yoga every day. And what will be the best thing to offer? Maybe the gym service or maybe the sport wear, as I showing here, the sportswear. So even we are going to the gyms, women usually want to be in their most prettiest form So they will be very care about the clothes and how they can practice their exercise, their gyms with a very comfortable one and in a nice color and nice shapes and kind of that. So Gladimas is one of the biggest customer in Vietnam now. They have tested the Tagalog catalog featured inside Vietnam for almost 3 months. So it means that even when this kind of feature is not available, Meta invite them privately to join with Pancake for a testing. So at first, they do not run ads with the catalog yet. They just made a few tests about clicking to Messenger. So they run Messenger like this one, and whenever the customer click to send message, they're gonna be a pop-up of the product buttons. So the customer just go into the product list, seeing all the new category or new collections of the summer or the winter, and then they immediately purchase and process payment inside the messenger by themselves. So at first they only start a small campaign in 1 week, and they see that young people really like this kind of changes when they don't have to go to Shopee, and also because their brand is so strong now, you can see especially helpful for anyone who are focusing on branding because they are having a very great identity in the audience or in their buyers view. So they are considered as a very authentic brand. So the customer don't have to worry about the quality, about their service anymore. So they just come to their friend page and buy it immediately without checking the review or comparing the price with other shop, some kind of that. So when they are applying this kind of features, they start for the first week and the conversion rate like increase like 1.5 percentage of the normal percentage. So after that, they suggest and Meta also suggests that why don't they run ads with the product attaching to the ads immediately instead of just going to the post here and there send image send message and then a list of products showing to them. They're gonna run an ad about a specific kind of pants, okay, just a specific pants for yoga, for example. And when they run the ads for that, there are only some picture about that specific pants only, and attach that pants information directly into the ads. Okay, after that, all the girls and women in Vietnam, they interested and they click to the ads, and then all the information of that pants and also the product, the category of that pants showing to their messenger immediately and directly. So also they also apply some kind of promotions and discount that are synchronizing from Pancake. Like instead of just showing the price, they're gonna have some discount, a little bit discount, like 5% off or 10% off immediately inside the ads. It's gonna show the original price with a cross and then 5% off the new price. So the customer will see that this is a bargain, this is a big deal, a very benefit deal, and then they just buy it directly. Okay, so you can also, if you are finding an item, winning item, you can also take check about the sportwear here. Okay, this is being a trend in Vietnam now. So are there anyone here are selling clothes, especially the sportwears? No. Yes, we'll be selling. Okay, you can. Oh, hi, Jess. That's us. Tower. Yes, towers is also a good items to focus on. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for the interaction. Okay. Instead of Gladian Mark Sport, we also have the Michi store here. Michi store shop. No, this one. Hold on for a second. Michi store. Okay. Okay, so beside the sportwear, baby products is also a very nice items for you to choose if you are confusing about where and what to start. In Vietnam, we have many types of the baby clothes. They are very cute. They easily get the love, the attraction of the moms, and you know that even if you are not the moms, you already have some nephews or your other cousins, sister and brother in your home. So the young people are very like the beauty. And when you are like processing or importing those kind of products, they are also very helpful and you can easily get the attraction of the audience. So you can see here. And I also suggest you, instead of just showing the pictures, you can also create a lot of reels or videos, like showing every aspect or every um every aspect and every view of that product. Okay. Actually, they also based on the kids' schedule, like the opening day of the school and some of the holiday for kids in Vietnam, and in all those kind of special day they run sales and apply the catalogs. So whenever the customer, the mothers and the other young people, they see the ads, they can easily focus on that items and increase the focusing product immediately with the sales, some kind of that. Okay, you can see they categorize by colors. So this is also a good idea if you are also finding a way to make the content and then design with the creative on your advertising. Okay. So the real statistics show from Meta that with Gladimas, the sportwear, they are going to be 23% of a lower cost, which means that they decrease the ad spends. However, they increase the conversion rate here. Okay, so they're going to be more sales because of the features. Okay. And with the Michi store in Vietnam, they're gonna be 15% of increase in the purchase orders. Okay. And 18% decrease in average cost per purchase. And you can see that Michi store has applied a very smart strategy. Okay. Instead of just showing one item, they include all the items that are in pink together. So if I am a customer, I saw that, oh, this is a blanket, a very nice blanket. And instead I have a package here for my kids and also some couple of shoes. And if I like, I'm gonna choose random items here and buy it at the same time instead of just focusing on one product only. Okay, so you can also take the same thing. I see that some of the e-com players in the Philippines already apply this. Instead of selling one item, we are selling in combo. This is also a very smart strategy in increasing sales. Okay. So that is some showcase in Vietnam and some suggestion I can bring to you guys today. And I think that the most important part is how we can set it up, how we can subscribe to the new features of Meta. So now Mrs. Rizel will take over the section and have you guys to figure out how you can set it up on Pancake and Meta. And because this one is very important, so we will record this kind of section and also post it on our community group. And also if you want to try us immediately, you can also record on your end as well. Okay, thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Anne and Warren, for the introduction and a detailed explanation and showing us the use cases of using the latest feature, which is the shopping on Messenger. So I will be sharing my screen. The moment. Share this down. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, so Yeah, so I'll be the one. So again, I am Rizel. I'll be the one to do the step-by-step guide and demo on how to set this shopping on Messenger in partnership with Pancake. So sino po dito yung mga nasa e-commerce or yung mga product base yung hawak nila? So please type 1 if you are in the e-commerce industry. Yan. So, sino naman po dito yung nasa service base? Yung ang ino-offer nyo are services like massage, restaurant clinics, aesthetic clinics, ayan, real estate, insurance. So, yeah, don't be sad kasi we are showing yung most feature for e-commerce, but we can also do or create a strategic way on how we will sell our service through the shopping on Messenger. So you can create product packages, for example, or service packages. So for example, a standard package, a premium package, wherein they can also add to cart those items. So yeah, so just bear with me as I discuss some of the important information needed. So currently, without the Meta Facebook, without Pancake, this is the flow or the normal flow of a customer order journey through Meta Facebook. So the customer, when they saw the promotions that we have on our page, the customer shows interest and they send a message inquiry. So we receive it through our messenger. So after a series of communication, consultation with the customers, there are some of you, I believe I also have clients na nakausap na they have existing platforms like Lazada, Shopee, Shopify, or they have their own booking website, or they have their TikTok shop. Na after a series of conversations, when the client is ready to purchase, they will redirect the client outside the messenger. So, sino naka-experience ito? Even me, I tried to purchase an earring before on Messenger, and then I was redirected to the website of the client. So, the checkout process is done outside na sa Messenger. So, we are being redirected to other platforms, and the order management and fulfillment will be done na dun sa mga platforms na na proceed natin, no, or kung saan nakapag-order yung customer natin. So somehow this is a tedious shopping process for our customers. So with the partnership of Meta and Pancake, so the 2024 Messenger cart is officially integrated with Pancake now. So when the customer shows an interest and sends an inquiry to our page, a product list or yung catalog of the items that we are selling will be displayed inside the Messenger, allowing the buyers to browse our product, to see the product description, and to order inside the Messenger without leaving the chat. So yun yung isa sa mga nagbibigay ng seamless shopping experience for our customers or for our buyers. And the good thing is we have a lot of tools that are very helpful for this type of businesses. So hindi lang sa e-commerce, even sa ating mga nasa service-based clients or business owners. So once the client checked out or order through the messenger, the order will be synchronized papunta naman sa ating POS. So Pancake has its own POS para dun sa mga baguhan, no, yung mga hindi pa nakakagamit ng Pancake. So once an order has been made, it will be synchronized in the POS and you can manage the order here. So ganon ka-seamless, hindi lang sa end ng buyer yung seamless shopping experience, but also in the end of the sellers or the business owners. So we can also centralize other or multiple sales channel inside the POS, as introduced earlier, no? So I can also show you this research by Kantar. So this is conducted last month of March. So on the shoppers end, 84% of Filipino adults sends a message inquiry at least once a week sa isang business. So this is the research, no? So ano ibig sabihin nun? We the Filipinos are easily enticed with the promotions that we see. We kept on scrolling on our Facebook, on our TikTok or other social media platforms, and when we saw these ads or it got our interest, so we send a message to them. I'm interested. I want to book now. I want to purchase. So ayan, through the messenger feature, mas madali nating mama-manage yung mga communication and also through the partnership with Pancake. So another statistics report is 79 of the Filipino adults prefer the messaging Facebook platform in communicating with a business. Even me, I wanted to ask some questions pa dun sa owner or sa sellers, and yeah, I wanted a quick reply, of course. Even as the millennials, we wanted to have, we are on the fast-paced environment, and we wanted na if magme-message, mas gusto natin sa messenger. Bakit ako nga minsan nagsisend pa ako ng screenshot. I want to be very specific. Kapag may bibilhin ako, I wanted to be sure. I will send screenshot. We can send audio recording dun sa messaging natin, no? So on the sellers and demand sa mga business owner, 95% yung statistic report conducted by Forrester Consulting in partnership with Meta, no? So 95% have an improved customers experience with Meta messaging. I myself experience it also sa other platforms, sa mga e-commerce platform when I asked for the tracking of my order, or for example, kailan po ang shipping, na-ship na po ba? Kailan po yung estimated na delivery? So, I wanted to get a quick response, but yeah, I will receive 3 days response or after 5 days, 1 day. So, medyo off siya or negative yung response sa atin, no? Hindi maganda yung performance. But with Meta business messaging, once we ask questions, mas mabilis. 95% mas mabilis yung pag-reply ng mga business owners sa atin, so we can communicate with them. So it's also an important factor in building trust with your customers, diba, na kapag mabilis ka mag-reply, mas higher yung chances of converting that customer into sales. And also, 93% reported increased top-line revenue. So, yeah, the retention of the clients patronizing also your services or your products. So this statistics, it came from Meta. So for the next slide, so we have major steps on how we will connect the Facebook shopping catalog from Pancake POS papunta sa ating business page. So here, from the conversations to conversions. So once we synchronized it, ganito yung view niya. Mamaya I will do the actual demo. So we can see the product list, we can see the variations, we can add quantity, we can select the item that we want, and we can input, once we confirm, we can input our customer information, the phone number, our exact address. And if you're connected with Sendit is our official business partner for payment gateways. So yeah, the client can also transact online. They can send online payment through GCash, bank transfer, or credit cards. So yeah, without further ado, I will be proceeding with our demonstration. So first, for the requirements, you must have the full control of the page and full control of the associated business portfolio. So what does it mean? I'll be showing you ano natin makita if we have full access. So what does a portfolio mean sa business portfolio mean sa Facebook, no? So business portfolio allows organizations or company to manage their assets or business pages like Facebook, Instagram account, ads manager, product catalog in one place. So one interface siya, dito ang tawag sa kanya is the business portfolio inside Facebook. So how do we do that? So you can visit business.pancake.com and you can connect your account. And you can see here sa screen ko na I have 3 business portfolios already. So yan dito sa baba yung create a business portfolio. However, I already reached my limit. So once you click this button, you just need to follow yung mga necessary fields na kailangan sagutin, like provide your full name, your email address, your phone number, and you can select yung associated or yung mga pages under your portfolio. So here, when I click the pages, ayan, under my magic color hub, the portfolio, I have this 4 na Facebook pages. The test page, the La Casa, the sample pages that I have. So you can see here that I am the admin and I have the full control over these pages. And dito sa aking portfolio, business portfolio, yan, the people you can select here. Tapos dito makikita mo yung active and ano yung access niya. So under my name, I have the full control of everything. So that is the first requirement if you wanted to synchronize your Facebook product list from the POS papunta sa Facebook. So next is your Facebook page should be associated or activated with the Pancake tools to access both yung ating Pancake Chat and the Pancake POS. So this is how the Pancake Chat looks like. Ito yung dashboard ko. And ito naman yung sa POS. So your products must be uploaded in the Pancake POS. So as mentioned by Miss Anne, Pancake is the first one to integrate this Meta Messenger shopping cart feature in the Philippines. So we can take advantage of it. It's very beneficial on our end, especially sa e-commerce, no? So let's visit pancake.ph. We can sign in. So this is the actual demo now. So para po sa mga bago, you just need to opt into all current and future businesses and then continue. So you can select the current pages that you wanted to connect with Pancake. So you can visit the privacy policy and the terms of service to check on your data privacy. So you can continue. And for the Instagram account, and if you have current Instagram, you can select it. And if wala naman, you can opt into all current and future Instagram account and then continue. So this are the permissions na nire-require ni Pancake to have access to your pages. So sa page lang siya, hindi naman siya mag-access sa ating personal data. So you just click save the settings and proceed. So this is my dashboard. So this is the Pancake Chat Management for the new users, no? So I'll just activate. I'll just reconnect. Select the actual pancake page. Here. Okay. And continue again. So I just reconnected my pages. So with POS naman po. So how do we connect with the POS? So you visit pos.pancake.ph and then get started with Facebook. So kung ano yung pinang login natin kay Pancake, ito, my personal account handling all these pages. Yun din yung ipang-login ko kay pos.pancake.ph. So I just need to reconnect. And this is the dashboard naman for our POS. So how do we see if your account is connected na? So let's select a page. This one, this new page that I created, the perfume bar PH. So you will go po sa product and then you can click this synchronize with Facebook. So ito not yet connected or associated pa sa Messenger shopping feature, no? So we can review on Meta, we can click that and see if your page is eligible or approved. So I can click the bar. So ito po, I am ready to onboard. So it looks like you're set to connect your page and enable the shopping feature on Messenger. So you just need to go to Pancake. So, yeah, this. So we will proceed with the connection. So after you review that your page is eligible, you just need to go back to pos.pancake.ph and connect to Facebook page. So this is the actual process now. Yeah, so this is my account handling these pages. So I will allow Pancake version 2 to connect and I will select the page. This one, perfume bar, and then next. So ito na yung binabanggit kanina, saang business portfolio mo ilalagay itong page mo. So I will just select this magic color hub and then click next. So here, the business portfolio that I have is magic color, and then the Facebook page that I will connect is the perfume bar. So I will just click continue. And I will provide the necessary fields. So enter your email address and your actual home address in the country, Philippines, and click next. So you just click next and wait for it to be linked or connected to Facebook and Pancake POS. So it may take a few minutes. Yeah, so we can wait on that. So how do we for the newbies, how do we upload naman the products? So I have created this perfume bar as a sample page. So I will teach you how to upload. So here you just need to select the add button and the product ID. So yun, mga perfume yung ilalagay ka, no? So just take note of yung requirement nila ni Meta. So what are the requirements for my product to be optimally displayed? So, requirement ni Meta is 500 by 500 pixel minimum resolution. So you need to select at least 6 more products to synchronize. And it should include the product name, the actual price, and other product information and description. So take note that the description should not be the same as the product name. So yeah, we must comply with this policy or requirements because it came from Meta, and yeah, they are the one to be they will be the one to approve this this setup. So let's continue. I will upload 6 perfume or at least. So you need to input your product ID, perfume 1 or vanilla scent. And my description would be, it depends on you po. So here we can turn off or tick this button off. You allow the sale of negative inventory. Ano yung ibig sabihin? So if you allow this button, if the quantity or yung inventory mo is 0 na, makakapagbenta ka pa rin. So if you are not aware, wala ka palang stocks na tapos may mga nag-order pa, so you might have a bad review kapag kinancels mo yung mga order nila, no? So you can turn this off and you can turn this warning. So for example, 5 pieces na lang yung perfume, mag-remind na siya ng warning of out of stock. So here, I have uploaded a sample photo. I have uploaded the required field, which is the product ID and the product name. So vanilla scent, perfume 1, this is my product ID. So I will input yung imported price is magkano yung puhunan mo. For example, 500 pesos and ibebenta ko na 800 online. And yung available quantity is ito yung inventory mo. So meron kang 25 pieces of the vanilla scent. So you just need to click save. Ayan. So same with the other products, and if sobrang dami mo namang SKU, we can do import Excel file. You need to download the Excel file. You need to follow the columns in the Excel in the CSV file, the Excel file, tapos saka mo siya i-import pabalik dito kay POS. So we need to select other we need to upload more products or perfume. So, for example, anong bang scent? The Savage perfume. Na 50 ml. And you can also input category here. For example, perfume. And then add. You can also add shoes, and or bag. So you just need to select the category if you want, and you can also create your own warehouse address. So dito you can input all warehouse or default. And there is also product attributes. So if you are selling shoes or meron kayong mga variation of the products, we can input here. For example, the color is yan, color, kunwari bag. So white, black, brown. Ayan. And if you have yung sa shoes nga, kunwari sizes. So you can do as 5, US 6, US 7. So yan, if necessary to create variation, nandito siya, available siya dito sa Pancake. So we just need to input the imported price, 900, and the retail price is 1, 2, and for example, 20 pieces of the perfume. I will select my warehouse default. So I just need to save it. Ayan. So you can, you can here in the warehouse, you can, ayan, palitan natin ang pangalan. So, Rojo Residences. and input my address. And here in Camarines Norte. Yan, Davao. So you just need to select this or input your warehouse address for the inventory. Tapos select na lang natin. Ayan, Rojo Residences. And this one. Rojo Residences. So I uploaded last one. So P003. Vanilla. What are the other terms? Yeah, Empire. Empire, for example, 300 ml. And the available quantity is 10 only. And by imported price is 600 and retail price is 300. So yeah, I will save. So ayan, we have uploaded 3 items under the perfume bar page. So we need to synchronize this na papunta naman dito sa ating dito sa ating page na connected kay Pancake. So I will select this and synchronize with Facebook. So I will connect the page. Ayan. Click next. Ayan, success. So, sabi dito, you can select the products or you can synchronize all products. Ayan, connected. Configuration. Ayan. Ayan, synchronize all products. So, ayan, sync is in progress. So, dito po sa synchronization history, we can see here the status. So, perfume bar, ano yung oras natin na synchronize siya? If there is error, it will appear here. Tapos, if success, meron din. So, punta na tayo dun sa page ko na i-connect ko na yung other pages ko tulad nito, RR Handbags. So, I will just go to the POS, select the page, and click the product. So, here, when I select the synchronize with Facebook and see the details, ayan, ano yung integration status ko. So, here, sinelect ko yung details, no? This is my other page na connected na or integrated na with the Messenger shopping cart. So, RR handbags and shoes, and I selected the details. So, here, sabi dito, it's connected to Facebook, the products are synced, it comply with Meta policies, and my products are showing already on Messenger. So, ayan, connected na itong items na mga bags, shoes na sample. Ito, na-synchronize ko na siya. Ano yung synchronization history ko? The status is success. So, yan, when I restock the product, when I added, so, ayan, nakapag synchronize na ako nung product list ko. So, how does it look like sa end ng mga owners or ng mga sellers like us? So, click ko, select ko yung page ko, no? So, in the dashboard of Pancake, you can connect, you can activate your shop. Oh, if you have Instagram, TikTok, or other pages, affiliated din kami sa kanila. So, you can click the page. Ayan. Tapos, dito po lalabas yung products or the product list. So, ayan, nandito na yung mga items na na-upload ko from Pancake POS. And isa-select ko siya. So, for example, this client, gusto niya, may I see the product list? Ayan, send natin sa kanya. Yan, select lang natin all and send now. So, ganyan lang po kabilis if we will be sending our product list to the client using our Pancake Chat. So, this is the Pancake Chat management. So, you can see here yung mga sample ko, I already have recent orders. Ayan. So, how do we do this naman if you are the buyer? Ikaw naman yung bibili on the buyer's end. So, how do we do this? So, pakita ko din yung sa end ko, no? Here. So, ayan, na-mirror ko yung sa phone ko and I'll be showing you how to order. So, this is the actual ordering process na. So, here in the RR handbags, ayan na po. Na-synchronize ko na yung page ko sa Messenger shop ko. Tapos, ito na yung mga product list. And makikita natin if success or na-integrate natin successfully, lalabas din dito yung product icon na yan. So, here's my shop, RR handbags and shoes, all the products that I am selling. Ayan, meron din dito mga parang yung mga frequently asked questions or template message. So here we can select. Yan, for example, add to cart. Red na heels, US 5 yung size. Dalawa yung quantity, add to cart ko. Dito na siya automatically. Tapos, laptop bag. Yan. I have 2 choices, 2 variation. I want a pink bag. Tapos ilang quantity, isa. Yan. I will just need to select other page. Ayan, yung may so, yan. The handbag. So, dito po makita na agad yung total. So, 2,000 plus 2 piece ng shoes. So, the total order is 4,400. So we can select add items pa if we wanted to add more items from this shop. Ayan. So this is the UI, the user interface view po, no? So yan, nandito dapat lumabas yung product icon. So sobrang cool po, no? Inside the messenger, makakapag-order instant yung mga clients natin, yung mga potential buyers natin. So if we click the cart and place the order, so we can see here nandito na yung info. So input ko yung phone number, yung address ko in Bicol, yan, in Labo, in my barangay, the actual address sa street. Tapos I want to receive at the store at home. And I can input a note. I want GCash payment. I want GCash payment. Ayan. So this one is parang pa siya, manual process pa pag sa payment. Pero if you registered with Sendit, so here kay Pancake lang po meron nito, no? The Pancake tracking of orders. Ayan. This view. So the client can also upload proof of payment. So how does it look like na sa back end ng ating sellers? So here we already have the order. Tapos lalabas din po siya dito. Here, refresh ka, no? Ayan, this is the latest order. So, ayan, lumabas yung order natin dito sa view ng ating buyer or seller, seller. So, na-synchronize din po agad siya papunta naman dito sa ating POS. So, here, andito na siya yung multiple products na in-add to cart ko. Ayan. So, yung nagtatanong kanina, no, if you are not yet a VIP of JNT Phil Express or Ninja Van, tapos ang mga gamit yung couriers are LBC, ayan, yung other courier partners, you can input the tracking number here, include the cost, tapos pwede mo naman din i-save yung details dito. Ayan. So, para naman po dun sa mga VIP member na nila JNT, you can click here and i-quick update nyo lang once na connected na dito sa yung JNT VIP code nyo, connected na sa API ni Pancake, ayan, you can send the update papunta kala JNT. So, you just need to assign logistic partners, tapos ayan, choose JNT Philippines and click update. Tapos lalabas na dito yung courier na pinili nyo po. So here in the POS, we have reports, revenue report, order report. So yeah, that's it. That is how we manage, or we send the product list to the clients and ni seller. Ito yung ating shopping on Messenger or the product catalog. We will send this list to the client, tapos yung view niya on the buyer's end is ganito naman. Makikita niya lahat ng mga sinend mo na items, and lalabas din dito yung products or the catalog, and also yung name ng store mo. So ayan. Do you have any questions po? So sorry, ang dami. So later I will be answering some of those questions. Sobrang ano na pala. Dumami na. So I will proceed with the continuation on the presentation. No? So after connecting or synchronizing your Facebook, your product catalog inside Facebook Messenger and Pancake, so what types of products naman are that dito tayo sa benefits. So what are the benefits first? So ano yung benefits of using this current feature ni Meta? So makita natin it's easy to set up. Hindi naman siya sobrang technical, no? We just need to provide yung mga kailangan, the business portfolio, the access to the Facebook page. So we just need to have access also kay Pancake and the POS para ma-sync natin yung catalog directly from Pancake to Facebook. So it's easy to set up and get your products in front of your potential buyers. So it's really helpful then if you'll be running campaign ads. So mas the expectation is to increase more awareness and also sales, no? And next is we can create a seamless shopping experience tulad nung sinasabi natin kanina, from clients discovering your products, your services, mapupunta sa conversation, and the goal is to convert them into a smooth shopping experience. So customer can easily browse the products, yung mga pinakita natin kanina, yung mga pag-upload natin sa POS, they can view the details, the pricing, and they can instantly add to cart all those items within the messenger chat. They don't need to go outside to go to another platform and fulfill their purchases. So inside the messenger, dito na siya mangyayari. Very seamless and smooth transaction. So it will also reduce the manual effort of managing your sales. So the advantage of the Pancake existing tools is it helps us. Yung mga pinakita natin, we can connect it to JNT, Ninja Van, Phil Express, yung mga pag-manage ng orders natin. The Pancake tools, we have the Pancake chat management. We can tag the customer if they are paid, unpaid. And also we have automated chatbot builder, yung kay Pancake na mga pinakita kanina. So we can reduce the manual effort and make our business operations na mas efficient and automated. So aside from that, it also increases the retention and brand identity of your organization or your brand. So a high retention rate means binavalue ng mga customers nyo yung product, and you will have a sustainable source of income kasi you will increase the retention, you will have repeat purchases from your customers. The next one is it can boost the performance of your click to message ads. So sino dito yung nag-ads na, yung nagra-run ng mga campaign, no? So very easy then to set this up. So it will drive more sales and enhance the performance of your ads. So syempre galing ito kay Meta. So if nag-run tayo ng ads sa Ads Manager, ayan, connected na yung catalog, yung ating product list papunta dito sa campaign na i-run natin. Pwede siyang ma-connect. And lastly, there is an online payment integration inside Meta and Pancake. So our partner is Sendit. So you can also visit their site and check on the ways on how to register. So Sendit provides e-wallet, bank transfer, debit or credit card. So they'll charge minimum standard fee for their all the transactions done online, yung mga payments. So also just to take note, what types of products cannot be promoted. So hindi naman siya limited shopping messenger sa mga nasa food industry, medical health products. The limitation is when you promote this. So ano yung mga, ayan, sa ad campaign siya, no? So earlier on, we are showing yung sample sa cake. So you can still upload your food items inside the shopping messenger. The only thing is you cannot promote this. Ano yung mga product categories na, ayan, cannot be promoted. So health supplements, number 1, and then the food, the medical health products, the adult products, the alcohol, and gambling. So yeah, we need to comply with Meta policy. So this is the Facebook commerce policy. You can visit, you can search it on Google. So yeah, they have a detailed explanation on the full list of product categories to avoid. So if your items in the catalog are rejected, it is because you do not comply with the policy. So yeah, we really need to comply. So Meta Messenger is free naman. We just need to obey and comply to their policies. So for the last slide, so a shorter path from discovery to conversation. So how do we showcase na yung ating shopping on Messenger cart, the product list na meron tayo, to our ad campaigns, which is the click to message. Ayan, create ad that click to Messenger. So I'll be showing you a video on how it will be connected. So bear with me. It's a 3-minute, more than 3-minute video. This is the last presentation slide.
The new 2020.
Can you hear the audio? Ayan. So I continue.
24 feature of Facebook Messenger Shopping Cart is now available on Facebook Ads. Try it now. After linking with Pancake for the product listing, go to your Ad Manager settings immediately and follow step-to-step instructions here. First method of running catalog ads. The product is the ads. Step 1. Create new campaign. Let's select the campaign type that connects directly to Messenger app, such as engagement or sales. Let's proceed with manual sales campaign and wait for a while. Under the campaign name, you will see a session named Use a Catalog. Turn it on and select the product list sync from Pancake POS. Step 2. Moving to New Sales Ad Set. Under Ad Set Name is the Catalog Sales Session. kindly change the performance goal into maximize number of conversions. This step is to enhance ad machine. Let us study more on the potential buyers as the target. Then, set up your budget and schedule and click Next. Step 3. Now you are in New Sale Ad. In the Identity session, select the Facebook page. You can select also the type of display, single image or video, carousel or collection. You can also check the display before publishing by clicking Advanced Preview. In the Ad Creative, choose the suitable catalog cards, single image or slideshow. The call to action button can be changed also. Now it's all set. Let's publish. Second method of running catalog ads. Attach products in the ad responses. Step 1. Create new campaign. Let's select the campaign type that connects directly to Messenger app, such as engagement or sales. In campaign details, turn off Use a catalog. Step 2. Moving to new sales ad set. In the conversion part, select messaging apps for your campaign. Select your Facebook page and choose the destination as Messenger. Next, kindly change the performance goal into maximize number of conversions. This step is to enhance ad machine. Then, set up your budget and schedule and click Next. Step 3. Now you are in New Sale. Add your creatives, such as images, and choose the appropriate format, single image or video or carousel. You can also check the display before publishing by clicking Advanced Preview in the Ad Creative. Roll your eyes to call to action and change the button. Mine is Send Message. We are here at Message Template. Click Edit to change the script of responses. In Media Session, click at the drop-down and select Ad Products. Select your winning items now. Get ready after preview in Messenger and publish the ad right away. All is set now with Pancake and Meta. What are you waiting for? Try it today.
Yan. So that is our Messenger shopping card on click to message ad if you'll be running a campaign in the future, no? So we'll be sharing this tutorial as well. And we also have this recording, yung step-by-step procedure natin kanina. So, ayan. So before after that, yung send it, no, I will be answering some of the Q&A. So magkano yung commission ng send it? They have specific or standard fees for example, GCash, bank transfer. Yan, you can also check on their site. Need po ba BIR for send it? I guess yes. Ayan, so, ayan, pinakita ko po kanina, no, in the POS, we need to upload. You can sign in to the POS of Pancake. You can upload the items that you have. Tapos, nakaset up na po dito yung synchronize with Facebook. So, ito yung mga parang notes or requirements from Facebook. So, products must include description and images. Sabi dito, eye-catching images and detailed descriptions can level up to 35% higher conversion rates. So we need to follow minimum of 8 MB or 500 by 500 pixels. Ayan yung resolution. Tapos yung image size. Tapos, ayan, product price must be greater than 0. So, meron dito na experience ko po on my end, nung kinonect ko to si RR Handbags na page, is pag-click ko po sa details, yung integration ko is hindi pa siya, wala pa siyang check yung dalawang yan. So, kung wala pang check itong dalawang integration status, comply with meta policy and product showing on Messenger, yung na-experience ko po is hindi pa lalabas itong product icon. So we need to wait. Ito yung missing pa at that time. So we need to wait for at least yung sinabi dito, 24 hours to display the products on Messenger or maximum of 2 hours for the, ano sabi dito, the lives to attach to Facebook live stream. So yeah, we need to wait for this after 24 hours. Tsaka lang lumabas itong product list ko here. Ayan. So that is very important kasi nandyan lahat yung all products mo under your page. So for the other, sa restaurant po, ang gagamitin nyo po is the CRM. So we can do booking appointments inside our CRM here. So and this is the look of or the user interface of Pancake CRM. So ito naman po is para sa mga nasa service-based. So yung kanina nabanggit ko, if you are in the service-based, pwede ka pa rin naman po gumawa ng mga packages mo inside dito. For example, your standard package, tapos you can explain it to the client ano yung standard package. Meron din tayo dito kay Pancake na mga save reply. So, kunwari dito, ayan, yung packages rates mo, service rates mo, pwede tayong mag-save ng quick reply inside Pancake, tapos pwede natin i-explain sa client yun. Tapos, if you wanted to use this for your service base, ayun, makakapag-check out sila gamit yung lalagyan mo package 1 or standard premium package. Ayun, para magamit mo po siya. So for restaurant, yeah, pwede. For the promotion, yun nga, as mentioned, yung mga not allowed for promotions is these types of products. So we are just complying as well with with Meta policies. So we are an official business partner and we also need to comply. So they are the one naman po to approve your ad campaign. So yeah, due to local regulations. Yes po, pwede po siya sa services or sa e-commerce. Yeah, the barley product falls under food supplement. So hindi siya pwede promote. For the restaurant, you can use the booking appointment. So I can show you. So aside from the shopping messenger catalog, we can also book an appointment inside. So dito po nakapakita ko lang. So if you are on the service base, tapos you have aesthetic clinics, resort, restaurant, or you're from the real estate, you can edit these fields. Tapos, ito yung information ni client. You can do appointment schedule or reservation for your restaurant. You as the seller or the business owner, you can input kung kailan sila nag-reserve dito. And for example, Monday, 8 a.m. Yan, you can input this one. Tapos, ayan, pwede din tayong maglagay ng service packages na meron tayo or the menu that we have. So these fields in the CRM for service base are editable. Inuulit ko, no? Kaya natin itong i-edit sa CRM. So we can still cater to restaurant services, hindi lang sa mga e-commerce industry. So once we, for example, not yet paid yung status, we can input the email, the phone number. Tapos once we save this, so it will be synchronized naman po papunta sa ating CRM. Ayan, the status, the appointment schedule. Ayan, we can select the service packages. Nung last time po kasi is air conditioning yung kausap ko. So, ayan, yan yung mga packages na nilagay namin. So, what else? Yes po. When you when you want to send it to Pancake and to your messenger, you need to send us your Facebook page link, tapos ipapa-whitelist natin siya kay Meta. So once whitelisted ka na, ganito na po yung itsura naman kapag magre-request ka ng online payment sa client. So here in Pancake demo, ayan, meron dito akong in-order, for example, this item, self-help book. Tapos, magre-request ako ng payment dito kay Rizel. So, I just click request payment. Ayan. Tapos, tingnan natin dito sa end ko, no? Sa aking messenger. So, nag-click si owner ng request payment. Yan. Payment. Ito. Payment for the book, 108 pesos. Ayan yung payment na link. So, when I click the payment, so dito po, no, inside Pancake, pakita ko ulit. Kapag connected ka na kay Sendit, na kapag registered ka na whitelist na ni Meta, yung account mo, yung business page, you can request payment. Tapos ganito yung itsura niya sa end ng customer. Ayan. So, I can pay via GCash. Ayan yung options. Tapos, upload ko lang din yung proof of payment. So, that is how it looks like. So, if you're decided, you can send it page to register. So, I will entertain other questions po. So, pwede siyang gamitin for uploading and selling organically, pero if promoting, ayun, medyo may limitation tayo from Facebook. Need namin set ang POS kasi I'm using CRM. So, yeah, you can use both POS and CRM for free. Ay, yung iba nasagot. Yes, so ito yung view ko, no? Ulitin ko. This is my view kapag gagamit ako ng Pancake. Tas yung page ko connected kay Pancake, itong RR Handbags. So this is the Pancake chat management. We can connect to other sales channels or e-commerce channels para sa mga baguhan. Tapos, when I click this, nakasynchronize na yung aking products. Ayan, yung mga bags ko. Nakasynchronize na siya kay Facebook. Ayan. The status is connected. The history, it's success. Ayan, ito yung configuration kapag nag-resync ka ng stocks. So, ito yung view inside Pancake. Andito yung ating Messenger shopping cart. Ito. So, you can send it to the client immediately. Tapos, marireceive siya ni client. Our handbox. Ayan. So, dito naman po yung view kapag ikaw yung buyer. So, when you visit the page or the seller sends you their product list, ayan, makikita mo din dito sa baba yung all products uploaded. So, other questions? Yeah, we can connect with Infotex po dun sa CRM namin. You need to, dito siya, sa configuration and applications. Ayan, integrated SMS. So our partner with the messaging is Infotex po. So you need to connect your API key and secret key from Infotex. So this is for messaging follow-ups if you want to use from your galing sa CRM no ni Pancake. And we also have automation or yung mga sending of emails, pwede din siya sa ating CRM. So what are the other questions? Can we attach description for each product? Yes po, dito. Andito yung ating product description kanina. Ayan. So sabi ni Meta, we need to be exact and complete yung product description and the more chances of converting the customer. So ayan, sabi niya dito, products with eye-catching images and detailed description can level up to 35% higher conversion rates. So we will send na lang po sa GC how to integrate yung documentation namin na mayroon sa Sendit. So pag slimming product na coffee, it is somehow falls under health or health supplements. So yeah, these products cannot be promoted kasi due to local regulation. So dito sa Philippines, we are not allowed. Yan. Yes, so live stream, ongoing development, restaurant allowed siya sa promotion. Yan nga, yung nabanggit kanina, pwede ka mag-upload. Meron akong Barley page. Pwede ka mag-upload dun sa Shopping Messenger. Ang hindi pwede is i-promote siya. What types of products that cannot be promoted? So, ito yung list of categories. If you will just organically sell these products, ako nagbebenta ko ng barley. So, meron akong sample page for barley. Yan, pwede kong gamitin yung shopping on Messenger. Pwede akong magbenta, pero hindi ko siya pwedeng i-promote tas i-connect yung catalog. Itong shopping on Messenger catalog na ginawa natin. So, yun po na-clear naman. We can sell, we can upload, we can organically sell this. But if you want to run or promote this using itong new feature, not allowed pa siya at this time. Ayan. Facebook has advertising policies to maintain a safe and trustworthy marketplace. So, products that don't comply with these standards won't be approved, and also iwasan natin na ma-restrict yung page natin kasi di ba mahirap pag na-restrict. Allowed na i-upload. Ulitin ko, allowed na i-upload siya. Ayan, we can sell it to our clients. Itong Barley page, for example. But when you run the campaign, ayan, yung sinasabi dito is promotion. Ensure your ad campaigns. Ayan, the campaigns. But if you organically sell this and use the feature, pwede siya. So we have a link on how to register as a VIP. So ito po, I can also send it in our GC. So JNT Express VIP, ang sabi sa akin ng taga JNT, you just need to fill out these details. Ayan, may mga necessary details and documents ata na kailangan. Ayan, SEC Register, BIR. Tapos, once nakapag-submit na kayo nitong form, may kukontak sa inyo na salesperson from JNT. So I can share you this link later. Yes, so kailangan ibigay nyo po, once na mag-register kayo kay Sendit, kailangan ibigay nyo muna yung Facebook page link nyo sa amin so we can submit it to Meta for whitelisting. Yeah, we are currently using. Yes, so we can also set up our automated chatbot builder, which is our botkick, the trigger. So yeah, there's a lot. So Miss Anne, do you have further or additional information?
Hello guys, I'm back. I have seen that you have a great interest in the features. I will, on behalf of my team, share all the document, including the instruction, the video, how to set up ads, how to set up product list, and some information about Sendit payment gateway as well. And for the recording today, I of course will also share with you guys, but maybe it's need 1 or 2 more days to upload on YouTube, so you can share with your partners and rewatch anytime you are setting up the system. And I think that it's kind of late now, so I will let you guys experience it by yourselves, like set it up and try to run some campaign for the catalog. I know that upcoming will be October 10, a big sales day, a mega sales day. And in November, you are also preparing for Christmas. I hope that you can optimize these features so successfully in your campaign for the special sales day. A little bit secret is that upcoming webinar will also invite a Facebook specialist, a very famous coach from the Philippines community. Do you know Mr. Jungi? Here, who of you know about Mr. Jungi, the coach? Yes. Yes. Actually, we have sent an official invitation to Mr. Jungi to join with our team to share some experience about advertising on Facebook. And also, we will also have a little secret that I will try to invite someone from Meta team, the Meta account management team to join with us, so she can share with us about how we can set up ads, how we can create attractive product display, some kind of that, some recommendation from Meta directly. So if you are staying tuned with our team Pancake Philippines, I will share all the information in the communities, so you can also have chance to meet and join with someone real from Meta directly. Okay, so that is just a little bit secret and a little gift I can share with you after this meeting. Okay, so before we end, can you guys type something to cheer our team up for all the update together and also the invitation to other teams? Let's type something like Pancake or Idol or something like that. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining with us today. I hope that our bond will be as strong as forever, and will bring you more features to help you increase sales and get rich together. Okay. Okay, for all the information, you can contact our fan page, Pancake Philippines. And I will share the documentary inside our communities, so you can keep track and get experience by yourself. Thank you so much.
Hello, Sir Belly, Miss Anne. So yeah, do you have further information?
No, I think that we can end it now and let everyone experience the features after this meeting. I will prepare for all the documents that we needed. Belly, I think we can turn on some music to send a hi goodbye to our guests here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you again for joining our meeting today.
Yeah, thank you guys. So stay tuned in our GC and our pages. So we'll be sending the upcoming this October. You can prioritize this from